What's up, YouTube? MR Auto Detail checking in. Here I am, buffing out another headlight. And I know there's a million videos out there telling you what's the best way, what's the proper way of actually restoring your headlights. Actually, this is how easy it is, guys. You don't even need power tools. I just did this by hand. Hey, check it out. Here at the parking lot, I came, met up with one of our group members from the Arizona Tundras. He bought some LED kit for his headlights, and it's a pretty far drive, and unfortunately he didn't have any power that I can borrow so I can hook up my buffer to it. So I decided to just do it by hand. Check out his headlight right here. Originally, that's what his other headlight looked like. Look at that. Now, unfortunately, so I'm only doing this by hand. There's a couple spots that I can't get out, that I'm definitely gonna need a buffer. But I mean, you can see the difference. Look at this thing. This thing's clear. From this, I mean, this thing is oxidated. I mean, it's not as bad as other headlights that I've seen, that I've done, but I mean, it's still pretty bad that he can't really see at night. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add an LED bar to that. I've done a few of them. It actually comes up pretty gnarly. But yeah, check it out. And this is all I use, guys. Keep telling you guys. Some people think that I'm full of it. Some people wanna badmouth, oh, why are you using aluminum polish on plastic? It makes no sense. So once again, this is not a video for the pros. This is a video for all the DIYers. This is so you guys can save money and be able to maintain your vehicle properly, you know, doing it yourself. So the first step I did, I hit it with water and my magic eraser. Let me do that step here real quick. So I'm going to be moving around. Alright. And again, working out of the trunk of my Lexus. Putting the Lexus GS400 to work. Out. And all this is just distilled water. I'm gonna soak up the magic eraser. And I'm just gonna go over it and then just clean it. I don't have my tripod, so I'm holding the phone with one hand and doing this with another hand. But I wanted you guys to see how easy it is for you guys to restore your own headlights. I'm gonna take one side of my microfiber. Now look at that. Magic eraser. I mean, this thing does magic, just like it says it does. So I took some of the oxidation off, not all of it, but some. But it's already a big difference. All right, bear with me, guys. Just bear with me. Okay, get some of my mother's. Here's my application pad. Sorry, I'm also chewing gum, so it probably sounds nasty hearing me breathing and chew at the same time. But anyways, let me cover this lens with mother's. So I don't want you guys to think that, you know, I'm a fake and I'm not doing things how, you know, how everybody does them, and all these professionals telling you how to do it, how not to do it. I want to show you guys firsthand how easy this stuff works. That's it. It's on. Now I'm just gonna buff it off. Sorry guys. Let me see. Here. Look at this. Now I'm gonna do 2 more passes, maybe 3. I did 4 on the other headlight. Once again, I am doing it by hand, so you can actually see the results. And like I said, my buffer, it's over here. Here's my extension cord. I haven't even rolled it out yet. My buffer right here in the middle of a parking lot. So this is how good Mother's is. Look at this. No generator running, no power once at all, besides my arm power. A little elbow grease here. And gets this thing. There you go. I said I'm gonna do 3 more passes. I think it was number 4. But man, check this out. Some good results, guys. Now what I'm gonna do, after I get done with this headlight, I'm actually gonna put some wires, wax, carnauba wax, and I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, let the wax dry, and then I'm just gonna buff it out. This way I can protect the headlights. I don't have any 303 on me. I actually ran out, so I gotta go and pick some up. But with the carnauba wax, it's definitely gonna protect, and it's gonna keep his headlights looking clean. Perfect, guys. Just wanted to share this video with you guys, checking in, and I wanted to just show you guys how Mother's does miracles. Magic Eraser and Mother's, those are my 2 best combinations. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, the big red button below this video. I'm gonna be posting more videos coming up, and any suggestions, comments, or any suggestions, please comment. If you guys want to see something cool, let me know, and I can definitely make a video of it, guys. And more auto details. Once again, I'm on Facebook at m.r.autodetail, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. All right, guys, and more auto detail. Checking out later.